2026 Tesla Pi smartphone, a futuristic device that many tech fans believe could completely destroy the traditional smartphone market. This concept phone, imagined by supporters of Tesla, is expected to bring technology that goes far beyond what current devices offer. While most phones focus on cameras, apps, and battery upgrades, the Tesla Pi is rumored to introduce revolutionary features that could change the way people communicate, work, and explore the digital world. One of the most talked about features is direct satellite connectivity, which would allow users to send messages and access the internet even in remote areas where normal cellular networks do not exist. This could be extremely useful for travelers, explorers, and emergency situations. Another exciting possibility is deep integration with Tesla vehicles, meaning the phone might control car functions such as unlocking doors, starting the engine, checking battery status, and even summoning the vehicle from a parking space. With this level of connection, the smartphone becomes more than a communication tool, it becomes a digital key for an entire ecosystem. Many rumors also suggest that the Tesla Pi could support advanced solar charging technology built directly into the device, allowing the phone to gain small amounts of power from sunlight. This would not completely replace traditional charging, but it could help extend battery life during outdoor activities or long travel days. Another futuristic feature often discussed is compatibility with global satellite internet systems, which might provide fast internet almost anywhere on Earth. This means users would not depend entirely on mobile carriers, making communication more independent and reliable. The design of the Tesla Pi is also expected to be unique, with a sleek futuristic body, strong materials, and a high-performance camera system capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. Some reports even speculate about neural technology that could allow the phone to interact with brain signals in experimental ways. Although this idea remains highly theoretical, what makes the Tesla Pi concept so powerful is the vision of combining space technology, renewable energy, smart vehicles, and artificial intelligence into one compact device. If such technology becomes real, it could challenge the dominance of existing smartphone brands and introduce a completely new category of connected technology. However, it is important to remember that many of these features are still based on speculation, concept designs, and industry discussion. Tesla has not officially released a consumer smartphone yet, but the excitement continues to grow because the company has a history of turning bold ideas into real products that disrupt traditional industries. From electric cars to reusable rocket technology, the influence of innovative engineering has inspired millions of technology enthusiasts around the world. If the Tesla Pi ever launches, it could push smartphone manufacturers to innovate faster and deliver more advanced experiences for users everywhere. For viewers who love future technology, this concept is fascinating because it shows how smartphones might evolve beyond simple communication tools into powerful universal digital assistants capable of connecting people, cars, satellites, and global networks in one seamless system. Imagine hiking in a mountain region without signal but still being able to contact friends, navigate maps, and access knowledge instantly. That kind of freedom represents the dream behind the Tesla Pi idea. It represents independence, innovation, and the possibility of technology working everywhere, not just in big cities. As the technology industry moves forward, competition between companies will continue to inspire creative breakthroughs, and consumers will benefit from better devices, smarter software, and stronger global connectivity. Whether the Tesla Pi becomes reality or remains a powerful concept, it has already captured the imagination of millions of tech fans who dream about the next generation of smart devices. If you enjoy exploring futuristic technology concepts, innovative gadgets, and the future of smartphones, make sure to support this channel by subscribing for more technology updates, reviews, and exciting discussions about the devices that could shape our digital future. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep watching as we continue exploring the innovations that may transform the world of technology in the coming years. The story of futuristic phones also reminds us how quickly technology can evolve. Only a decade ago, many people could not imagine phones replacing cameras, wallets, maps, music players, and personal assistants, yet modern smartphones now perform all of those roles with incredible speed and convenience. A device like the Tesla Pi represents the next step in that evolution. By connecting personal technology with global infrastructure, including satellites, electric vehicles, and intelligent networks, this type of integration could allow people to interact with technology more naturally and efficiently instead of switching between many separate devices. One powerful smartphone could manage transportation, communication, entertainment, security, and productivity in a single ecosystem. The excitement surrounding the Tesla Pi shows how strongly people believe in the potential of bold technological visions. Even if the final product looks different from early rumors, the conversation itself encourages innovation innovation across the entire smartphone industry. Companies compete to build better batteries, faster processors, smarter cameras, and more reliable global connections. Consumers gain more choices, more power, and more possibilities in their everyday digital lives. That is why futuristic concepts matter, because they inspire engineers, designers, and dreamers to push boundaries and imagine what technology could become tomorrow. The idea of a phone that connects to space vehicles, energy systems, and intelligent networks represents a bold step toward a more connected planet where information and communication flow freely across every corner of the world. For now, the Tesla Pi remains an exciting possibility, but the dream behind it continues to inspire curiosity, discussion, and creativity among technology fans everywhere. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep watching the future of innovation unfold through bold ideas, groundbreaking research, and the imagination of people who believe tomorrow can be smarter, faster, cleaner, and more connected than today. Thank you for spending time with this video, and remember to subscribe for more future technology stories and exciting innovations ahead.